This is the 4-piece spatula set by KLAQQED. These spatulas are fully covered in silicone, and I've had these guys for a couple of months now, and I have to say I've been enjoying them and had zero issues whatsoever. Food does not stick to these. They just don't. I've used very sticky food, and it will not stick to it. Cleaning these is a breeze. I don't even have to use any type of scrubbing or any cloth whatsoever. You can literally use your fingers and some dishwashing liquid, and boom, they are clean. They take the dishwasher super well, no issues whatsoever on that front. This handle is covered in silicone, so if you ever have your hands wet, it's not gonna fall out of your hands. I've tested that, will not fall out. You have great grip on this, and then there's a hole if you ever hang these, like you put a cord through it and hang them somewhere. The base here, just like this metal part right here, this base is silicone. The base is metal, but there's silicone over the entire base, and then the edge here is a flexible silicone edge. I will use this to pry up some like baked on junk in pans, and it works super well. So if you are looking for a phenomenal 4-piece spatula set, I would highly recommend these guys to you.